Bila anak pakcik cakap, Abah, terima kasih, Abah jadi ayah yang baik. Tak ada. I think that, Masya Allah. When they send something Masahari, to me that is more valuable than anything else in this world, because they live with me, they know me, they see me every day, every second. And if it come from anak pakcik, macam pakcik cakap, dia baca kisah pakcik, dia nangis dan ceritakan, to me, there's everything from in the world. These are something, Dr. Hanzara, I don't know how to say it, but money cannot buy. These are human emotion. Kalau dia terpaksa berkorbankan masa, yes, is worth it. Tapi kalau kita sibuk, then find good times. Bincang dengan isteri. When ada tu times untuk kita bincang. There are times when kita tengok, dia ada benda-benda yang ada kita tengok bila happy-happy, waktu tu find a good time, because life is all about moment. Sometimes all these small things yang dia ingatkan. Baba ingat tak masa kita dah lupa, tapi dia ingat.